two leading project management tools, Zoho Projects and Kanbanchi, are often mentioned in the same breath, but which one truly stands out when you need it most? On one side, we have Zoho Projects, known for its robust features and tight integrations. On the other, Kanbanchi, Google Workspace's flexible, Kanban-driven contender. We're testing them on what really counts. Project planning, collaboration, integrations, pricing, ease of use, and those small but crucial features that can make or break your workflow. Forget the jargon and marketing claims, let's see how they actually perform where it matters. Points go to the winner of each round, and at the end you'll know exactly which tool takes the crown. Trust me, the final verdict may just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we dive in, let's get a bird's eye view. Here's our mind map. First, we'll kick off with price, then go through features, integrations, the whole user experience thing, mobile access, and finally, the ecosystem. That's our roadmap. Ready? Let's get started. Let's talk price because honestly, who doesn't care about saving a few bucks? So Zoho Projects is really putting in work here. It's super affordable and there's even a free tier for smaller teams. Alright, sure, some extra features might cost you more, but for what you get, the price is almost a steal. Now, Kanbanchi, simple, easy pricing and a nice free trial, but if we're being real, it gets pricier on the long run and there's no free plans sticking around after those first couple weeks. For price, Zoho definitely takes the cake. Next up, features. Oh boy, Zoho's a powerhouse here. We're talking serious task management, Gantt charts, timesheets, reports, honestly, even custom fields and some nice automations. It can feel like overkill for little projects, but if you like options, it's got you covered. Meanwhile, Kanbanchi goes for that Kanban simplicity, very visual and super tight with Google Drive and Calendar. But if you need anything advanced, you're probably missing out. Some pro features are locked in premium plans. So, in terms of features, it's Zoho again. Alright, integrations. Now Zoho Projects obviously plays best with its own family. It's happy hanging out with Slack, Google, Zapier and all, but it just really shines if you're already bought into Zoho's whole universe. Kanbanchi, on the other hand, is practically glued to Google Workspace. Like you can pull tasks directly from Gmail or Drive and the calendar sync is seamless. Not as many connections beyond Google, but if you're a Google-first shop, Kanbanchi totally dominates in this category. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Kanban boards were actually inspired by Toyota's production systems way back in the 1940s? Just a bit of project management trivia for you. Now let's talk user experience because a nice-looking app actually makes a difference, right? Zoho's UI is modern, customizable, love that, but it can get a bit overwhelming when you're just getting started. Kanbanchi. It's got that clean, drag-and-drop vibe. The basic Kanban flow is honestly so refreshing. But you know, it's less flexible in terms of layout. So at the end of the day, it's a tie. They both have their quirks but are genuinely pleasant to use. Okay, moving to mobile access. Zoho's rocking full native apps for both iOS and Android, meaning you seriously get everything you need wherever you are. Maybe the mobile UI isn't the flashiest, but feature-wise, it's all there. Kanbanchi keeps it more basic. You can hop on the web or use some basic native features, but honestly, if you want to run a whole project from your phone, Zoho's the clear choice. Alright, last but not least, ecosystem. Zoho Projects is no contest, part of this whole Zoho world, CRM, desk, the works. You want cross-app workflows. It's all baked in, but you really get the most out of it if your team's already Team Zoho. Kanbanchi? Well, if you breathe Google, it will feel like home, but step outside Google's walls and yeah, it kinda loses its magic. Zoho's the winner here easily. If you look at the radar chart, it's crystal clear. Zoho Projects is leading in price, features, mobile, and the whole integrated ecosystem thing. Kanbanchi really shines for Google Workspace folks and nails integrations in that arena, but honestly, Zoho just covers more bases overall. So here's my big takeaway. If your team wants big league features, reports, and a flexible tool that can grow with you, Zoho Projects wins it. If your world revolves around Google and you just want simple Kanban boards, Kanbanchi is awesome, but for most teams, Zoho is hard to beat. If this helped your project search, don't forget to follow for more smart software comparisons. Tons of reviews and deep dives coming your way.